What's up guys, how's it going? Mike the Tech here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to run Snap Camera, which actually isn't supported anymore and doesn't actually run on its own, but we can patch the installation so that you can still use all of your favorite filters and things with your current webcam in 2025. Now before we get started, if you want to support this channel, be sure to click on that sub or Patreon button below. I just started my Patreon and got our first supporter, Gabriel Paso, so shout outs to them. If you want shout outs in videos like this, be sure to become a patron in that link below. So onto the actual tutorial. What you're going to do is download the installer for Snap Camera. So I've downloaded the 1.21 version of Snap Camera here. I'll put a link to that in the description. And this is going to start the installation process. You don't need to upload the installer here. You actually need to install it first on your computer. So let's go ahead and do that. Then, if we try to launch it, you'll notice that while the camera is detected, nothing ever loads and you can't actually use any filters. So let's go ahead and close this. And we're going to open up our C drive. We're going to look for program files, and you'll see an option, you'll see a folder for Snap Inc. Open up Snap Camera, and we're going to find snapcamera.exe. Now I'm going to go ahead and drag this right there over our choose file, but you can go ahead and click on choose file and locate it manually as well. And we're going to scroll down and apply patch. Now we can download the file, and we're going to drag it into our Snap Camera folder here. Let's go ahead and delete the old one, and then remove the patched name here from the patched one. Now we can open it up, and there we go. Now you'll see that obviously filters do seem to be working. So yeah, I think this is safe to say success. Shout out to Bud for letting me know about this one. I didn't even know that Snap Cameras worked again. I was using those in my studio a while back and stopped once it stopped working. So pretty cool. Let me know if you have any questions or comments in the comment section below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Peace.
Digital guru with a modern day voodoo. The dude with the short fuse for ignorant minds. You can learn a thing or two about a new device. Unboxing kudos, we rock that pseudo administrative elevator command. We build it up or break it down in that virtual lab. From conversations to games to interviews with a broader view. He keeps it fresh, always brings something new. It's Mike the Tech, Mike the Tech, Mike the Tech, the architect, Mike the Tech, Mike the Tech, yeah. Mike the Tech, the architect.